Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, May 14th, 2025, we are taking a look at USDCAD, analyzing both recent news and detailed chart data. Recent news indicates the USDCAD pair is staying below 1.3950 due to a potential widening of the US-Canada yield spread. We'll correlate these news events to price action on the charts. We'll start with the daily chart to establish a long-term perspective. Looking at the one-day chart, we can see USDCAD's price action over the past several months. We see the volatility the last couple of weeks as the Canadian dollar forecast is predicting the USDCAD bears will reload at 1.4000 resistance. Let's zoom in on the more recent price action to get a clearer picture. Let's start on February 1st, 2025. We can see some up and down action. Let's take a look at the hourly chart to get a little more granular detail. Looking at the 1-hour chart, we see consolidation and ranging behavior recently. The Canadian dollar recently reversed losses after the US inflation number was a tick lower than expected. That corresponds to the candles from late February to early March. This is what is driving the short-term bear sentiment. However, according to Forex.com, the broader USD move will have an effect on the USDCAD pair, so that means we need to also watch the DXY. Zooming into the last couple of weeks in the 1-hour chart, there hasn't been much movement in the past day, so it makes sense that it's ranging. We need to look for a breakout of the recent range to determine a short-term bias. But let's dive into the 15-minute chart. A break below the 1.3925 level could signal further downside, while a push above 1.4016 on the 4H chart could confirm a bullish double bottom. Focusing now on the 15-minute chart, we can see more short-term fluctuations. It's pretty flat here, too, but is good for understanding if we want to trade intraday. A lot of chop and ranging on this chart means to be extra careful and diligent if you're looking to trade short-term. Key price levels to watch include the intraday support around 1.3920 and resistance near 1.4015. These levels could act as triggers for breakout trades. Let's recap. Important price levels to monitor are the 1.3925 support and the 1.4000 resistance level. A break below 1.3925 suggests further bearish momentum and selling pressure, while a break above 1.4000 signals bullish momentum and may lead to further gains. Overall, USDCAD appears range-bound in the short term, influenced by diverging monetary policies and oil price fluctuations. Keep an eye on news releases and price action at key levels for trading signals. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.